we made it. We already got like a bunch of stuff, bro. We got a Supra, and look at this Porsche. This thing is sick. Looking pretty good. I'm gonna do like a quick little walk around. Got the Scat Pack. There's another dude with an SHO over there, and I really want another parking spot so I can park next to him. We got my car right here, the show. And we got the other show. This one's got a K&N. And he said, I was talking to the dude, he said it's got a tune on it too. Again, I wish I had the facelifted version, bro. These things look so good, but it's all right. I'm gonna get a cold air intake for that one too. Bro, look at the exhaust, bro. Sticking out the side of that mug. Oh my God.
Bro, these yells are so bad.
Well, rolling in with the SRT'S. Oh, and the SVR. What the heck? Bro, dang it. This a 5.7? Pat Patty. Okay. So we gotta like kind of go to like the second spot because they just kicked us out. I'm behind this like M5, whatever it's called. We're just kind of going right now. But his car sounds sick though. I want to get a clip of his. All right, well we gotta go. What the heck? So we made it to the second spot. Oh my gosh. Look at the carbon hood. Go ahead. About to miss this RT, bro. Bro, I like missed it. Add crazy in the scat. Add crazy. Bro, that weak pull. So you want to do it all the way down there? Oh. Let me see something. Okay.
The fusion gang.
Eco boost. Why was that low-key kind of fast? What the heck? Slide in the Escalade, bro. What? Oh, what the heck? No way. Hey, do it right here. Do it right here. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're acting up now. Oh, they're acting up. Here we go. Oh my God. Okay, come here. Okay. All right, let's see what this big old truck can do. Can it spin it though? Oh Lord. All right. Oh, we reckless today. Go ahead. Go ahead. No, act up. Go ahead. Go ahead. Hey, SRT. SRT, let's go. Okay, low Audi action, and it says supercharged. Go ahead. Got a muffler to repack. Oh my gosh, go ahead. Focus. Focus on this. Act up. Go ahead, go ahead. Oh. Hey, watch this one. This one's quick. All right. What that is, that looks like a Car X drift build. Hey, wait, don't leave yet, don't leave yet, don't leave yet. Oh, what the heck? All right, now it's your turn. Now it's your turn, go ahead. Oh, in the minivan. Oh, bro, I want to see this scat turn up. That's what I'm talking about. Boosted launch. Watch this. All right. Oh my gosh, she's gotta go home to his grandkids. Let's go!
Oh my gosh, we told you.
Oh, grandpa.
Hey, get active.
Bro, what is this?
This that dude with the...
Oh yeah, go ahead. That's my voice cracks.
That's fine. That's a fine vehicle.
Slide it. Wrong lane, buddy. Slide the M4. Oh, look. Oh my God. What's acting up? Hey, do another one. Hey, it's got that Hoonigan sticker. Go home. Oh, brand new Mustang. Right off the lot, cuz. Act crazy.
Slide it. Slide it back.
Act up in the soul. Oh, Lord have mercy. Look. Do it right here. Act up. Act up. Go ahead. That just made my day. Oh, Lord. Ah, he gonna crash. Okay. Take mom's car back. Magnum RT. Let's see. Oh, that's all right. So he's about to show us the. Yeah. Hold on, what that say? V8 bi-turbo? Oh, I can't even hear it. Bro,
Is he all-wheel drive?
Oh! Come here! Come here! Bro, you gotta do it right here! Go ahead, act up! All right, we gotta go. I'm heading out. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for watching, man. Make sure I like, comment, subscribe, follow Instagram. This meet was insane, and yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all next time, bro. See you.